So this is the second part where we will be discussing the distributive law, the addition, subtraction. You may be wondering that what is there in addition, subtraction we were doing from the last so many years, but how to open up the brackets? It's not simple addition, okay, just like it's lying on your board, okay. It will be in the brackets. So how to open up the brackets, where to multiply, with what it should be multiplied, why not minus sign, why it should be a plus sign, everything I will be explaining you in this video. And this is very important because it will help you throughout your life. Life means life only, okay. That afterwards I'll tell you, okay. Chalo. Okay, so we all know that what a distributive law is. Means, for example, you have a right over here and x plus y is there. Okay, so when we are said to use the distributive law to solve this one, what we will do, we'll say that this one into this one plus this one into this one. This is what we are going to do. Okay, so your answer will be a multiply x plus a multiply y. So your answer will be ax plus ay. Okay, ax plus ay. This is what a distributive law is. Okay, now in case if number is there, just like if 2 is there and here x plus 3 is there. Okay, so same thing, distributive law. Distributive means you have to open the brackets. So 2 into x plus 2 into 3, so 2x plus 6. You cannot add it. Okay, so this is a distributive law which we have to use in this video. Okay, so you understood how a distributive law works. Okay, so now if in case it is having just like minus number is there, minus 3 is there, x minus y is there, x minus, what you will do, the same thing, this one into this one and this one into this one. Remember, you have to use the sign also. Here plus plus plus, here plus, same signs. Okay, so minus here, minus 3 here, x here, so minus 3 into x, minus in the bracket, minus 3 and minus y is there. So minus 3 and minus y. So why you have not kept this one in the minus in the bracket? Because this is the minus which exists in the question. This is this minus. Okay, y as it is. Okay, so do one thing, you write minus 3 here, this one y. Now it's okay. Okay, so minus 3x and this one, so minus, and this one will be minus 3y. Next minus 3x minus minus plus 3y. Clear? Is it clear for you? Okay, now so this is what a distributive law is there, okay, which has been explained in your textbook. Okay, now in case 3 numbers are there, just like if a is there, here x plus y plus z is there, simple, a into x plus a into y plus a into z, so it will be ax plus ay plus az. Okay, sir, if minus is there, that one I will explain you, but for now you understand this one. You understood this one? Okay, the next one. Okay, so let's go for the next question. For example, the question is a is there, bx plus c is there, same thing. So a sign plus is there, so no need to consider the sign, everywhere plus is there. So whenever plus is there, so no need to consider anything. Okay, simply multiply. This is a variable, this is also variable, this is also variable, this is also variable. This is numerical coefficient. So variables all are different. This is very important. Okay, this is a term and this is a term. They are being separated by any operator is plus sign or minus sign is there, then they are two different terms. I told you this one already. Okay, so there are two different terms. So in this term there are different variables or same variables, so different variables are there. So different variables cannot be multiplied, so you write as it is. Plus in this one again different variables, write as it is. So if same variables are, then also we'll write as it is. That one I will tell you. Okay, now you copy this one. Understood? Okay, the next one. Okay, so minus x is there, minus y minus z. Okay, like this. Okay, now minus is there. So when minus is there, so be careful. Okay, so now we will consider sign also. So minus x is there, minus x, multiply sign, only y. Now this one minus as it is. Okay, so minus x is there, minus x, and z is there, okay. So now again this is a term and this is also term, this is a term and this is also term. Sir, you said that minus, if minus and plus are there, if there exists, there are two different terms. Sir, minus is here also minus is there, so these two are different, na? And these two also different. Wait, you understand this one? Does the minus, this is the minus of this, so this is the minus of this number, or you have to do subtraction? See, there are two things. If I write 2 minus 3, okay, and if I am writing 2 minus 3, okay. Now tell me, in this case, this is the minus, which says that you have to do subtraction operator, plus minus, that what they are saying in the question, okay. Whereas this is the minus, same process. But what about this one? This one is the sign of the number, it is not the sign to do calculation, it is the sign of the number, means it's a minus 2. This sign means you have to do subtraction or addition, whatever say, but this sign is a sign of the number, so both are different. So here this is the sign of a number, not a minus. This one means this one is a minus, so this is the minus which separates this one and this one. Clear? Very important, this one, very important, because student get confused. The minus is there, you said that if minus or plus is there, they are two different terms. Why they are not different? Because this is the minus of the number, it is not, but okay, it is the number, not the between these two terms. This is the minus of the number, not between these two, but this is the minus which separates this term and this term. One more thing, if you are still confused, okay, what I am trying to say, then you think that if minus is there, multiply is there, divide is there, okay, and plus is there. If this all thing exists, if any of this exists, so priority group is multiply and divide. You will not see this one and this one, okay. Means just like whenever you go to any functions, you see that there is a chair in the starting row. For those priority groups, the what we say, the members which are very important, okay, if anyone is allowed to sit on that, no, we are not, no one is allowed to sit on that, okay. So in that way, the priority group is multiply and divide. If plus minus is there, or multiply is there, divide is there, so you will give priority to the divide and minus. So here also, if you will see in this one, okay, so minus is there, multiply is there, so which one you will see? So this is a multiply, means these two are getting multiplied. What is this minus? I told you, this minus is the sign of the number, but the process is multiplication. Now in this case, here also minus is there, multiply, nothing will multiply, so means you have to do multiply, but the sign of the number is minus. And what about these two? Between these two, minus is, so subtraction. Clear? Okay, so it will be minus xy, here minus, and this will be minus xz. Now minus xy minus plus xz. A number cannot have more than single sign before them. Before them one sign, okay. Before them two signs, it's not okay. So minus plus. Now before them one sign, before them one sign. Every number should have a single sign before them, okay. If double signs are there, you have to convert, okay. So you understood this one. So minus is very important. Minus is just like what we say, an important part of a body, okay. Sorry, maths, okay, maths is also very important, okay. Okay, so we have understood what a distributive law is and how it works, and that's it. Okay, so let's do some more questions, okay. So where I will be explaining you what I'm going to explain you, okay. Just like if I have this x minus a minus b is there, okay. So whenever minus is there, so it's a very difficult task for us, but I'm here to make it easy, okay. I'm here to make it easy, okay. So now here also, so up to here you understood clearly what I was trying to say, okay. So some more question we'll do and we'll make it more clear. Okay, so the questions may be just like, okay, this one you have understood now what you're doing. Okay, in your book they have explained you something way elsewhere, but it will be better rather than that what they have given you in the textbook. So in some of the books, okay, this question has been explained in some other way, so let me explain you in that way too also, so that you may not get confused when the teachers are explaining. So which one will be easy for you, you can carry with that one. Okay, clear? So this is the question. Okay, same similar question only, but the way they are doing is different. Now wherever minus sign is there, so before that you place the plus sign. Simple. Okay, so minus, and I have the minus sign right over here, and minus sign is here also is there. So in place of minus sign, okay, minus sign will be like that only, but before that you place the plus sign. See, just like x is there, now minus came, so plus you'll write, instead of minus you'll write minus 1 like this. Wherever minus is there, instead of that you'll write minus 1 and before that plus. So I can bracket open. Okay, so y, and minus is there, again plus, again instead of minus you write minus 1 and after that z, closed. You understood up to there? So wherever minus 1 is, minus is there, you will replace that minus with a minus 1 with a plus sign. Okay sir, why sir we are changing? We should not change the question. We are not changing the question. We are not changing the question. See, if you will solve this one, if you will solve this one, if you will solve this one, okay, what you are going to get? You are going to get the same thing, just like plus is there and I am writing minus 1. So plus minus minus, my 1 and 1. See, minus and minus 1 or minus. Okay, if nothing is there you can write 1, so minus only getting. So why we are doing this one? Because I told you now, minus is very dangerous. Okay, so many students get confused with the minus sign, so they have decided why not to convert a minus sign into plus sign, because wherever plus is there it will make you very easy, more convenient. Okay, so don't no much to pay attention on the signs, you can directly multiply the number in case of plus sign. But wherever minus sign is there, you should be very careful with that minus sign, because the minus sign when ignored it will change all your answer. The answer will totally be changed as compared to that which with the plus sign. Okay, so minus sign they are trying to convert into plus sign, so I have did the minus sign also. If you find it easy, okay, you can use this method, or you find it difficult, you can go for this method where you have to convert all the minus sign with the plus sign, as well as instead of minus you'll write minus 1. Okay, okay, so now what we have to do, now we have written this one. Okay, now what we have to do, see, the thing is that I told you whenever the plus sign is there between any one, means they are being different terms. Okay, okay, understood? So in this one with what I have to multiply, in this one with what I have to multiply, that case was different, this case was different. Why? Because here between these two bracket minus is there, and in this one before this number the bracket minus was there. Okay, so this was different, means this is a term and this is a complete one term, right? So minus is there, but inside the bracket, when bracket is there, this is a single unit. Okay, bracket is means it's a single unit, and what, and this is also a single unit. So what is the relationship? Are multiply. So according to the, and the minus, I told you the minus is the sign of the number, it is not the operator, means it's not the addition subtraction. Okay, but here if you will see, here if you will see, it is the minus of the number, but the plus sign is there. Plus sign says that v2 are different. Okay, when v2 are different, this is different, this is different. Now who is being before the bracket? This x or minus 1? So minus 1 only, because plus is there, na, plus is there means these two are different. See, one more thing I will show you. If the number is like this, the same way, if it is like this, between these two nothing is there, multiply, so you have to multiply with this complete minus x to this one. But here between these two you have a minus 1 with a plus sign, means you have to multiply only minus 1 with these brackets. You should not use x, very important. Okay, we should not use x so as to multiply with this. Okay, okay, you understood? So let's do this one, we'll do more sums, it will be clear for you. So x as it is, it's alone, plus, now minus will be multiplied with this one, so minus 1 into y, then what is the sign you'll keep? plus you'll keep, plus is there, minus 1, again minus 1 is there, and z you have. Okay, है see this one with this thing, only y is there, and this one with this one, but here z is there and minus 1 is also there. So that's what I have written. Okay, now solve this one. X as it is x plus, here multiply sign is there. Okay, I told you no, multiply is there or plus or minus is there. You'll see multiply, so it will be minus y. Okay, here plus again, here minus minus plus and z, so plus z. So multiply, everywhere multiply, no? That's why I'm multiplying the sign also. Now every variable should have a single sign before them, two signs, one sign. Okay, x is okay, two signs, convert, minus plus minus, two signs, plus plus plus. That's it. Understood this one, or having any doubt regarding this one? It's a very easy one. Okay, so sir, you explain us some of the plus one and some of the minus one. Okay, both one I will explain you. Which one you will find it difficult at the end of the video, you can continue with that one. Okay, for me it's better to use this one because till now I am using with this one only. But if you are using this method, my method, you should be very clear with your signs, and minus whenever it come, you should open up your eyes. Okay, because very important, minus one as compared to, it's not like that everywhere I will convert the minus into plus. Okay, some of the cases you will find it difficult to convert the minus into plus. In that case, what you will do? So try to focus on this part rather than this part. Okay, in these steps gets increased. Here it's not like that directly what they gave you, you can do it and you will not get confused. Okay, okay, understood? Copy. Now we will do addition of like terms. So I have already explained you what are like terms. Remember? Yes sir, remember, like means you said same. Same. Terms means you know what are terms. Okay, terms means it is a combination of variables, constants, or any operators are there, so there are terms. You know these things. Okay, now addition of like terms. For example, the question is x plus x. Now just tell me that this x is a variable, this is also a variable, and this is an operator, means this is a plus sign. So whenever a plus sign is there between two variables, means these are two different terms. So first term and the second term, these two terms are having only x as a variable, no constants. Okay, so now can I add up? Can I add them up? Yes, because they are of similar terms, like terms. So like terms can be easily added up. So that's how to add. Nothing is there means 1, nothing is there means 1, so it will be 2. Okay, x. Clear? Okay, now in case having more terms, 2x plus 3x are there. Okay, again we have, now you have to see like terms or not. First you have to verify that they are like terms or not. If they are like terms, you can add up, you can subtract, you can, in addition and subtraction is possible. In multiplication and division you can do with the same like terms only. So addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, all will be possible with the like terms only. You have to pair them up first. Okay, so now here also like terms will be set by using the constants of variables or variables. So variable is same, and it's a one term, it is also a one term, and they are separated by a plus sign. So what we have to do? We have to do addition. Okay, so just add the numbers, constant, not the variables. Variable will be only one variable. If 5 x's are there, I will tell you 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, now third one, for example, 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x plus 7x equal to, now everyone is having a same variable, same variable, same variable, same variable, same variable, same variable. So they are like term, but the constants are different. But to determine whether they are like term or not a like term, it's a variable, it's not a constant. Okay, so all are like terms. Okay, means they can be easily added up. So instead of writing so many x, write a simple 1x and or add all the values. So it will be 5, maybe 10. 10 27. Okay, should be 27 and the x will be like this. So here x denotes that we have added up all the values which consist of x. Okay, means there are many values which are being added up. Okay, and we got the value as 27x. So x represent that one. Okay, next fourth one, 3x square plus 5x square. Now again, what are the like terms or not? Yes sir, is x square is there, x square is the like term, and this is one variable and this is one term y, because between these two multiply is there. So multiply doesn't comes and says that we two are different. Multiply always says that we are together, but a plus sign is there, so it says we are different. So up to here, so multiply sign between these two, so it's a one term. Plus means separate, again multiply means a one term, so total two terms where they are having the same variables. So what we have to do, same variables means they can be added up, they can be separated up. So write x square. Now 5 plus 3 8 because it's addition. Okay, now fifth one. Okay, fifth one, okay 6xy minus 4xy. Okay, now again you have to see whether they are like terms or not, because by deciding that only you can say that they can be subtracted and they cannot be subtracted, they can be multiplied, they cannot be multiplied. Okay, now in this case xy. Okay, so they are same variables, so you can usually subtract xy. So 6 minus 4 2. Okay, now the sixth one. Okay, sixth one what they gave us. Okay, so it will 2a plus 4a minus 3a is equal to, okay, again they are like terms na. A is there, one term, two term, three terms. Okay, so it will be how much? Only a you will write. Okay, two different signs. So if you are finding it difficult to write here, so solve this one. Here we have plus 2 is there, plus 4 is there, okay, and minus 3 is there. Okay, a you have written na. So solve this one. If you will solve this two, it will be plus 6. Then solve this two, it will be plus 6 and minus 3, so it will be plus 3. Clear? Or you can do a you have there, so it will be 2 plus 4 minus 3. So why we have not done for this one? Because all were plus, so addition is easy enough. All were minus. Here plus is there, minus is there. That's why I'm doing. I know this one how to do, but for your convenience I'm saying that do the addition first, and what the answer you are getting, then you subtract from this one. So it will be 3a and the sign will be plus. Clear? Understood? Okay, the next one. Place is there, place is there. Seventh one. Now in case they say that, understood this one, na? Okay, next one. In all these cases, okay, we just add them. We have subtracted and we have added the values. Okay, so why? Because they have the same variable. If variables are same, they can be easily added up or you can subtract them to make a single term. See, two different terms means terms were different, but they are like term. We got a single term. They belong to the same family, na? The family of x, the family of x. So they say, let's go for the movie. Same family, like terms I'm saying as a same family. So they have joined together. Same family, joined together. Same family, joined. Same family, joined. Same family, but minus na. You see that they are like terms or not. Don't see minus plus. So same family. So okay. Now see, if they are different family, then what you will do? I will tell you that one also. For example, you have 6x minus 6y. Now, sir, the variables are different, means they are not like terms. They are not like terms. In this case, sir, what you will do? they are of different family, they doesn't know each other, so they will be just a what, new person to each other, so nothing to do. 6x minus 6y, clear. So we should not do anything, huh? If they are from different family, they doesn't belong to the same family, so we will not do anything, we will leave as they are, we will leave as they are. Okay, because they are from a family of X and no one is there, and they are from the family of Y, no one is there, so as it is. Okay, we are helpless, we cannot do anything. Okay, the next one, next in case 6x plus 6y minus 3x plus 2y, like this is the, for example. Now again you have to search for the like term, means same family. X is there anywhere? X? X is there, means these two are of the same family. Okay, first you arrange them because they are not together, they have just like they are just like खो गया है कुंभ का मेला में, जैसे ना भाई बच्चा खो गया कुंभ का मेला में, so they are like that only, जैसा मिला. Okay, four terms are there, so they are being separated. Now it's your work to keep them together. Why? So that our calculation will be easy. Okay, what is the sign it is having? Sir, plus. So plus 6x. What is the sign it is having? Sir, minus. Minus 3x. Anyone, any more x are there? No, sir. Next, here y is there. Here also y is there. So they are also same family. Okay. So what is the sign? Plus 6y. And what it is having? Plus 2y. Okay. So we have arranged them according to their family or the like terms. Now, so we have to solve these two, and in this one with these two, same family. So your answer will be plus, so x first you write, same family na. Okay, now plus 6 minus 3, plus 6 minus 3. So plus minus minus you have to do, sign will be bigger, plus. Okay, so plus 3 you can write here. Family of y, so plus 6 na, plus 2, plus 6 plus only, or plus 8, very easy. Minus is difficult. See, I was facing some problem in case of minus, but in case of plus, very easy. So minus is very dangerous. Again every time saying that be careful with your minus sign. Minus will create your answer and minus will destroy your answer. Minus sign is very important. Okay, so you understood this one? Okay, understood this one na? Next one. These are the questions. So how many questions? Many questions are there, many things are there to explain. Okay, and I will not leave you till you are understood. Again, addition is there, subtraction is there. X, y, x, they are like terms? No, sir. So you write as it is, है ना, as it is. Okay, the next one, x square y. No, sir, not like same terms. So 3x square minus 4x square y is as it is. Here you see x square z, same thing, right, as it is. X square y, x square is there, means x two terms, y only one term. Sir, is there, but sir but there is not first, is not second. Is there na? Is there, sir. So you can solve this one. Okay, so of this I have to solve this one is possible. So sir, what I have to write, x square y or y square x? You have anything you can write. Sir, I am comfortable with this one only, x square y. Now 3 is there, so what you have to do, minus. But okay, do confuse, right, plus 3 minus 5, so it will be plus minus minus, so you will do 2, sign will be bigger, minus. So when I am get confused, I just do like that, I will extract the numbers, I do the sum, because there is no need to use this one, because you have to write directly, they are from the same family. So minus 2 x square y. Now what about this one? So x square, okay, is there, y is there, z. So this is also possible. Yes, possible. Now so you will write x square y z, anything you can write. So here 3 numbers are there. Okay, extract them. Plus 7 na, so plus 7 minus 2, plus 3. Three numbers together. For me it's difficult. I cannot do three numbers. So I will take the simple numbers. So plus 1 and plus 1 I will do first. So plus 7 plus 7 is there and plus 3 is there. So it will be plus plus plus. You will do. Bigger number is 7 plus. Okay. And minus 2 is left. So minus 2. Now plus minus minus I have to do. Sign will be bigger. So plus 8. This is your answer. Very simple, na? Understood this one? Yes, you understood, sir. So the name of this process is collecting like terms. So we have collected the like term, we have gathered them, and we have did the addition or subtraction what they are saying. Understood? This is known as collecting of like terms. We have clearly understood what does we do in case of addition, what does we do in case of subtraction, how we will arrange them, and what are the ways to get the answer. Okay, now it's time for multiplication. If instead of addition and subtraction we have multiplication division is totally different as compared to addition and subtraction. Okay, so be careful with that one, it's not the same. Multiplication says that सब कुछ मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, जो है सब मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, कुछ मत छोड़ो. Okay, so now in first case, first we'll see the numbers. 2 into 2, right? 2 into 2, numbers done. Now x into x, x into x, and y is there. Like this only, na? Okay. Space. So your answer will be how much? Sir, multiply na? Sir, multiply 2 to the 4. 4. So x is 2 times. So x square and y. Sir, here, sir, we will not see like terms, unlike terms. Is there anything to see like terms and unlike terms? Simply we are multiplying, na? So simply multiply. There is nothing to do with like terms and unlike terms. Simply multiply. It doesn't work with the multiplication. Okay, so no need for like term. Remove this heading. Heading is not needed for this case. Again here also 3 into 4 and x square is there, and here x square is there and y is there. So answer will be 12x 2 to 4. 2 plus 2, the way you know, 4 and y. Directly I am writing, or you can write x 2 plus 2. Same thing, na? Bases are same. You can use this one here also, the exponential power formula. The bases are same, right? So you can use that formula right over here. Okay, the next one. Again the thing is that 2 by 3 is there. So 2 by 3 multiply 4 into x square is there, into x square is there, into z is there. Okay, so now, sir, here nothing is there. Denominator 1, nothing is there. 4 to 8, 3 1 3. So 8 by 3. X square 2 times. So x 2 plus 2. So it will be x to the power 4 and z. The same way you will do everything. So in case of multiplication, you will multiply rather than watching they are from the same family, they are from the different family. Just like friends, when just like we are going somewhere, okay, in a tour, if someone comes and tries to play with us, what we do? We usually play with them. It doesn't see that they are from the same family or the same class, or doesn't matter. So they are also same thing. But addition and subtraction are just like our parents. Okay, they says that you should not go and play with the one which doesn't know. They are right. Should not go with those which we do not know. But what we do, we say that in the school, before going to school, parents explain us this all things. We said, हाँ पिताजी वहाँ मैं नहीं करूँगा. We will not play. आप जैसा बोल रहे हैं मैं वैसे करूँगा. But at the end of the day, in the interval, okay, or in the any of the day, if anyone comes, stranger, चलो खेलते हैं. You leave all things what your parents said. So you are this one, multiplication. You are not having any values. You are this one only. Okay, wherever addition and subtraction are parents, they say for your good only. So the one who is not from our family, not from the same thing, should not to play. The strangers, okay, right? Strangers may be dangerous. Stranger may be dangerous. Wow, it's a rhyming just like strangers are dangerous. Okay, chalo. These are multiplication. Understood this one? What is multiplication? How it works? Okay, these are you only. From today I will tell you multiplication.